Hello everybody, Brian here for quantlabs.net. Just wanted to let you know cryptocurrencies are getting killed right now. I'm going to show you those in a minute, but just wanted to let you know we do have a poll running currently for Forex. If you want to learn about Forex API, it's looking to be either Tuesday or Wednesday night, and that's that. So with that in mind, we are going to look at other alternatives as well. So if you are interested in this course in Forex, because it's good to diversify, just come under here where it says Python course under the store, here at the top of quantlabs.net, right there. And then once you click on the Python course, that will take you to here where you can sign up and buy now, because we'll be leveraging a lot of that. So that is that. So let's take a look at what's happening in the cryptocurrency space right now. This is from a custom built cryptocurrency bot that I've built, and I've been pretty well using the base code for over a year. It's been doing fairly okay, not great, but I'm getting a 50% win ratio, which I'm pretty happy about. But this is what's currently going on in the cryptocurrency space. So you can see right there on this Linux system is that is the cryptocurrency movers. Those are the top movers right now. I think that's from CoinMarketCap. So Tether, Bitcoin, everything, hourly, 24-hour, everything is down. There was some positive moves with Bitcoin, barely profitable, but that is what's generally going on. And then when you look at the Redis here, right over here, you can see that everything is extremely down. If you know about my weighted average that I've talked about in my webinars, that is severely down. So not looking good. And then we have our watch list here as well for Forex. So the question is, what do you do? Well, I've been talking about, not just trading crypto. Crypto does well when it does well, and you can do really well. Typically, you want to diversify. Right now, I'm still testing the mean reversion pair trading strategy that I have put up and talked about in another webinar on Monday and a video yesterday put up on my Quant Labs channel. Let me see if I can pull that up. Just give me a second here, and we will talk about what is going on. So if you go over to my Quant Labs channel on youtube.com, let me just pull up the video here. So here at the YouTube channel, I put up this video here called latest status on momentum and pair, and here it is. Okay, so latest status on momentum versus mean reverting pair trading in Forex crypto trading. So in that video, it's only 10 minutes, but what I did say is that I'm using the momentum-based strategy for momentum-based moves, time series for crypto. Intraday seems to work okay. As I said, I get 50% win ratio when the markets work, and today is an example of not working. Then we have a pair trading strategy. So for pair trading, mean reverting in crypto is very difficult because of the volatility. It's very hard to find pairs that stay consistently co-integrated moving into the future. So it's very hard to even predict anything with that because of the volatile moves in crypto. But when it comes to Forex, it's the opposite. Momentum can work, but it's very rare on particular Forex pairs that meet certain conditions. On the other hand, when you look at mean reverting pair trading, the ones that you find on a daily basis usually hold pretty good. So that's what I'm doing. Up momentum for crypto, mean reverting / pair trading for Forex. I was testing out the Forex. So these are new ways to look at the markets outside of crypto. On top of that, if I go over to my Instagram now, just so everybody knows, the Quant Labs net that account there on Instagram, you will find some interesting things to make some cash outside of crypto and Forex. These are the most recent ones that I posted yesterday. Hang on here. This is Instagram now. So in here, I've posted about CFD volume. That clearly shows that WTI and Brent crude oil are basically dominating the overall quote, probably in the same in futures and options. The results are because of this. When you look at the downward moves of WTI and Brent crude, and this is yesterday again, those are opportunities that are screaming to make money. On top of that, when the markets are good, you can make pretty good bucks in the US based or any other index around the world, be it obviously US, there's the majors, plus some European and maybe some Asian ones as well. So you can diversify there through the options and futures market. Now, if you go back to my YouTube channel, okay, this one right here, just give me a second here. So again, on the YouTube channel, this one right here, 4-day track record currency trading, that video right there, let me just see, there we go. So this video here, I posted, that's a webinar. So again, it's called 4-day track record cryptocurrency trading webinar playback. That video talked to a futures trader, commodities trader, using Motive Wave, who's full-time doing it. So you can make cash through the futures market and options, I believe. He was using Stage 5, not interactive brokers. We talked about that. It's all in the webinar, so you can get that there. So there are alternatives. The only difference for the futures and commodity, or sorry, futures and options, is that you need a larger account. We talked about on our chat server, private chat server, it's been estimated that you probably need a $40,000-$50,000 account to do it successfully. So you need to be fully aware of that. But these are the areas outside when you get the markets getting killed. So there are probably some shorting opportunities as well in Forex once you figure that out. But again, those volatile whipsaws that come in can take you out. But we're looking for predictable moves, predictable patterns, and the pair trading and mean reverting I'm found with Forex, it's predictable, and it seems to, it's predictable. It's the equivalent of a pattern. So that's what I'm seeing. So just want to highlight all that in this video, and hopefully I've answered some questions or given some ideas. If you've got any comments, let me know, and be greatly appreciated. And if you got any questions regarding the stuff I've shown you for the Python course, the Forex workshop coming up, that would be awesome. Just let me know, and we will get back to you later.